Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to view competitors in Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Viewing your competitors in Google Ads can provide valuable insights into their advertising strategies. Here's how you can do it. Use Google search. Simply type in the keywords related to your business into Google's search bar. You will likely see ads from your competitors at the top of the search results. This gives you a first-hand look at the ad copy they're using and the offer they're promoting. Utilize ad preview and diagnosis tools. Access Google Ads ad preview and diagnosis tool for a more detailed view. This tool lets you preview ads without affecting actual search data. You can see ads from any location, any device, or searching language. Check Auction Insights report. In your Google Ads account, go to the Campaigns or Ad Groups tab and select Auction Insights. This report provides a helpful overview of your and your competitors' ad performance, including metrics like impression share and overlap rate. Explore third-party tools. Tools like SpyFu, SEMrush, and Ahrefs offer in-depth competitor analysis. These platforms provide comprehensive data on competitors' ads, including historical data, budget estimates, and more. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.